Hello, my name is Justin Choi. I'll be your instructor for the Microsoft Office course. Today's lesson will be making a chart in Microsoft Excel. As you can see from A1 to B17, I'm selecting that. We will go into the Insert tab. We'll choose a recommended chart. We'll just delete this real quick. There we go. Recommended charts. As you can see, there's scatter charts, clustered columns, clustered bar, line, funnel, Pareto. For this information right now, we'll be using just a line chart. To customize the settings, we'll just be playing around with the chart elements, chart styles, and the chart filters. For filters, you can see the days as the categories. Motivation is there. I'll just have to name this column. Come on, categories. Okay. Since I need more data for that will not work too well. We could do the original style or change the styles. Preferably, I'll go for a style that works for your target audience. So, let's go with this. Now, we have to add the data labels. Let's see, data table. No. Error. Legend. Down bars. Here. We won't need the title. Okay, there we go. Axis title. Motivation. % motivated and days. Now, if we want to switch columns or switch rows for the data, we can also do that. We can also change the chart type. So instead of doing a linear chart, let's just say we'll be doing bar chart. So for the bar chart, you can see on what days am I 100% motivated and what days I'm not. Thus concludes this lecture for today.